Inhale, open the chest. We're just going to do a couple circles here with the elbows forward, up, and back. Then depending on your levels, like depending on how you're feeling today, you're going to stay with the circles, or we're going to come into a little rhythmic twist by bringing the elbows in line with the shoulders and slowly bringing our head, our gaze, and our heart to the left, and then through center, gaze, nose, heart, all in alignment to the right. To the left and to the right. And if you feel comfortable, we'll start to head out. You can give it a good ha, or maybe through pursed lips, as if you were blowing out through a straw. Stay with it, stay with it. I always say in these practices, you got to bring the breath. Come up to a seat, cross one leg and then the other, so you're in a cross-legged seat. Bring the fingertips to your shoulders, elbows wide. Breath. Lovely. Then we'll slowly release.